And the race is on. Ice Storm fast to begin, brushing up by Darrell's Lucky Touch. Conquistador Danori inside La Unlaan inner class. And London Dry is the early trailer by about 5 to 6 lengths of the leader. Lucky Touch by a length and a half, followed by Ice Storm in second. La Unlaan is a close third as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Lucky Touch by a length and a half, Ice Storm in second, and by Darrell's La Unlaan moving up in fourth by about 2 lengths. Conquistador inner class racing in fifth, and London Dry is still running at the tail of the field. Lucky Touch, La Unlaan is running by Darrell. Ice Storm, Conquistador inner class, sneaking by Darrell and London Dry. And out of far turn, Lucky Touch, this time by a length and up. La Unlaan is running in second. Ice Storm inner class, Danori inside. Conquistador also rushing up. London Dry as they race the last 500. Lucky Touch, La Unlaan, Conquistador inner class, sneaking by Darrell as they race the final corner. Lucky Touch, Conquistador in the middle. Inner class is running by Darrell. La Unlaan and Ice Storm. 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Inner class running by Darrell. Conquistador, Lucky Touch. Inner class, Conquistador on the outside. And finally, it's going to be close. Conquistador, inner class, Lucky Touch. Close, La Unlaan, Ice Storm, London Dry.
5-3 at mamaya bibigyan kayo ng slow